Hi everyone, my name is Jack Pardini and I'm an account executive at Crunchbase. Today I'm going to show you how to take your account list from Salesforce or a CSV, import it into Crunchbase to then enrich those accounts with Crunchbase data. As an AE, this is something I do myself to fill out my territory account list with all the data that I need to be able to prioritize my accounts and then provide value in my outreach to prospective customers. So here I have my account report in Salesforce, and the very first thing I'm going to do is export it to CSV. Now, for simplicity's sake, I've already exported it. So here is my exported list of accounts saved as a CSV with the company name and company domains. And what I've done here is I've added this in a way that Crunchbase is actually going to be able to ingest it. So what I can do now is I can go back into Crunchbase and I can import my list of accounts and I can enrich them. So I'm going to go into my dashboard and I'm just going to make a new list. So I'm going to import my list of accounts. Should take a second to open up. Here we go. It looks like 85 of the organizations were able to match the Crunchbase profiles. Great. So I've got my account list, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to enrich these accounts with Crunchbase data. So if I go in and I want to enrich this, all I have to do is go to my advanced search, and then I can pull up only companies that are within a specific list. So I'm going to go to include from my account list, the ones that I just added here, all the ones that were able to match. So my account list with full go-to-market details has been populated here. So it's going to import the list. This is what it's going to end up looking like. And what I've done is I've gone through beforehand and I've selected all of the different fields that I think would be valuable to help me prioritize my book of business. To add additional fields, I can just go into the edit table view and I can see every data point that's actually available to me. So as we're looking through here now, what I'm looking at is my list of accounts, but now I have a description, the industry, the number of employees, their estimated revenue range, what series of funding they're at, what is their latest funding amount. I can look at all of their predictions, of course. So I'm going to be looking at, is it probable that they're going to raise funding? What is their growth and heat score? I can use the CB ranks to prioritize these accounts. I can look at leadership hires. I can look at events. Even like how many people are visiting the website. I can look at their annual IT spend, most recent valuation for companies where there's been a recent valuation. So now what I've done is I've created this much, much richer kind of profile of my book of business. And I can go in and I can start to prioritize based on this. And once I've prioritized, I can then develop a unique point of view using all of the data that Crunchbase has provided me. And I can use that point of view in my outreach. So this will indicate to potential decision makers that not only do I have a product worth their time to evaluate, but it also shows that I've done my homework. I know what it is about my product that's specifically going to help you with your challenges in your industry, in your financial position, etc. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video. You now know how to enrich an account territory list with Crunchbase. If you're interested in further exploring how this could add value to your team, please reach out to the sales team at Crunchbase. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.